Alright, so I was sent this Erickhill infrared thermometer, and they wanted me to test it out. Now, this is not my first one. I've actually done a lot of reviews on these, and I've had a lot here. But this one is extremely interesting because it says it can do negative 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1,112 degrees Fahrenheit, which is very interesting. So I should be able to measure the header temperature on my truck. Now, that's always been something that has been difficult for me to do just because of the temperature, but okay, so we see what it is. Cold. I just started the truck. Whenever I get to work, we're going to judge it there. We're going to test it there and see how it does then. Okay, so I've been driving for just about 30 minutes. Let's see. 290, 286. Right there at the header, 269. So that's not too bad. The engine, 149. Spark plug, top of those, 135. But yeah, right down there, you know, we're getting some different temperatures. But let's check the tailpipe. Header should be hotter than the tailpipe. All right, there's the muffler. 230. Okay, so if you have a burning smell coming from your tire and it doesn't smell very good, you could possibly have a locked up rotor, and I think I do. And I'm going to take some temperatures of the rotor. That is 228 degrees. All right, caliper 212, 13 degrees. Let's see what the other side is. 150 and 127. So use a temperature gun. Maybe it can help you in finding if you have a locked up rotor that now you need to fix. In my experience over the last 20 years, I have always found that the best thing that you can have in your tool belt is the temperature gauge. You're able to test the temperature of waters very quickly. You're able to test the discharge temperatures and the coil temperatures. You need that for air conditioning. You need that for plumbing. You need to know what you're working with. You got to find the right temperature differentials and look at the hot spots that you can find. There's a hot spot right there. You need to know that, especially if you're gauging walls or testing out something. What if you have a loose wire in a wall? 3D printing, you gotta make sure that bed is at the right temperature so you get the right adherity. A couple things that I just want to share with you all. If you are interested in this, check below for a promo code and the link for this. Thanks everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. Take care.